myself.
I don't know whether in January it will be postponed again. Because justice delayed is justice denied.
Yes.
And we go to April to give everybody, witnesses, whoever, a chance. Otherwise, I see another postponement in January. So I will plead maybe March, April. It's up to the judge to decide.
Yes, I think we should keep it orderly as we can, and therefore I insist that we postpone till 18th January. I'm sorry if there's any inconvenience. Unfortunately, none of us are prophets. We don't know what's going to happen on 18th January. But let us keep it at that.
And I was trying to talk the wrong side.
As I said last time, Mr. Mokshir, I want everybody to come back on the 18th of January just to ensure that they don't forget about this. This matter is then
Are we
postponed.
coming with our lawyers or?
Pardon?
We can come on our own music.
Now, on that day, the lawyers must be here, unfortunately, because I don't know whether the state will be ready or whether the circumstances per se is going to be such that we can proceed now with the hearing of evidence.
Maybe we should go to Mazanga.
My lord, for what purpose would it be postponed to the 18th of January? It's rather is for the plea and trial, as the accused persons won't be able to confirm the availability of the legal representatives for that period.
Yes, but the legal representatives, all of them know that at least for the first term of next year, we will proceed with this. They're aware of it.
My lord, I'm hesitant to say that they are almost certainly available still, as they were awaiting the outcome for this. Is it not a possibility that we can have a provisional date for the legal representatives to be present? I believe it is prudent that they then confirm that they are still available for those dates, as there are issues potentially arising of further financial constraints from the defence, that all of this can be brought before the court before we have all the witnesses before court and are formally ready to proceed with trial. And then again, we have a postponement as the legal representatives themselves have not confirmed that
So
date.
what do you suggest?
My lord, I suggest in the interim between now and the end of this particular year that we have all legal representatives being before court, that they may confirm their availability, that we don't then postpone the matter and they then indicate that they are no longer
Because
available.
that's going to be rather impossible. My own program is absolutely full. I'm not available until the end of this term. And throughout next term, the fourth term, I'm not getting booked at all. So I won't be able to entertain anything that will be coming from the defence or the state before the end of the year. That is why I say, let us keep it at the 18th of January, and we'll see how things stand on that.
My lord, perhaps previously, if I may, we had a virtual hearing that we could just confirm the availability of the defence. Could you not perhaps do something to that effect to ensure that they are all available, that we don't then come here on the 18th of January and then postpone them, as also confirmed by Mr. Makashuri?
Yes, but Ms. McPherson, say for instance, we come to the 18th of January, and 1, 2, or 3 legal representatives are not present, but we are informed that they will be available next week or the week after next week, then we can deal with it and postpone the matter to the day on which everybody is available.
As it pleases, my lord, for what period of time would we then be looking at? The entire first term?
Yes, yes, thank you. This matter is now postponed to the 18th of January 2027 at 9:30 in the morning. All the accused are warned to be present here in court. Otherwise, a warrant for the arrest might be issued and their conditions of bail